Hey guys, Casey here from StartScreenPrintingNow.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cheap and space-saving exposure unit using Blacklights. The exposure unit I'm going to be building, I'm going to mount underneath this workbench that I got from Harbor Freight. Now you can build it underneath a table if you want. This is just to get it out of the way and to save space. Now the materials needed for this build are pretty minimal. We just need some Blacklight LED strips. I'll put a link in the description below of the LED strips that I got from Amazon. And we need some particle board and some quarter brackets to build our shelf. And we're also going to be reusing the space-saving vacuum bag that we used in our last exposure unit build. So not a lot of materials, and it's going to be really cheap to build. Okay, so let's start off with this Blacklight LED kit. For 40 bucks, it comes with 4 lights that daisy chain together. So if you think you need more lights, you can just order another kit and they will all hook together. They also come with these little clips that let you clip the lights into whatever surface you want them on. The basic idea is to fasten the lights to a board, put them under the tabletop, and then have the light shine down on a screen on the bottom shelf. I measured out my area and then I cut my board to fit. One will be for the lights, and I'm cutting a second board for something else I'll explain in a minute. I arranged the lights evenly and then I attached them using the clips. And sorry, but I forgot to film this part, but you get the basic idea. Next, I took these little shelf bracket looking things and connected them to the underside of the workbench top. I put 2 on each side so my lights could slide in like a shelf. I'm going to be burning my screens on the bottom shelf of the workbench, and since it has kind of a slightly glossy reflective surface, I'm afraid of light being unintentionally scattered across the back of the screen. So I'm just stapling some black cloth to my other piece of wood to absorb the light. Finally, I'm using one of these space-saving vacuum bags to hold my screen while it's being burned. This bag has a one-way that lets me suck the air out with my shop vac so my film gets pressed nice and tight against the screen. This prevents my artwork from moving around and the edges from getting blurry when I go to wash out my image. I found that I get a perfectly burned image after only about 45 seconds under the black light. It used to take me about 10 minutes to burn an image using a 500 watt halogen work lamp. Your timing might vary depending on a few things. One thing might be the distance between your light and your screen. Right now I have it set up so I have about 16 inches of distance. Another thing might be the emulsion that you're using. Personally, I switched to this Jacquard photo emulsion. It's really inexpensive, but I've been using it and I really like it a lot. So you might need to do some testing to find out what the right exposure time is for you. But if you do it all right, there's a good chance you can get it burned in under a minute. So that's all I have for this video today. Again, I'll put the link to the lights I have in the description below. And this whole setup only cost me about 50 bucks. Remember, screen printing doesn't have to be expensive. If you can just put in the work and build yourself, that way you can save money for the big things later on. Also, I just want to thank everybody for staying with me. I know that I haven't released a video in a very long time, and I'm starting to get back into the groove of it and record more and put things together. So if you like this video, hit the like button and get yourself subscribed for more videos, and keep printing, guys. Thank you.